god, my top is falling. I swear I'm not trying to get naked. Hi guys, my name is Nicole Evans, aka Free the Unicorn, and welcome to my channel. It's all about the multi-hyphenate lifestyle as an artist, and like how do we balance all of these things, like our talent and like our day-to-day, plus like having fun while we're doing it. This is my first Decorate With Me video, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a fall and Halloween Decorate With Me, and so I'm really excited to show you guys like some of the things that I found, the stores that I went to, and then how I'm going to set it up in this space. And this is an after dark Decorate With Me video, so stick around. It should be really cool, really vibey. I've got my like fuzzy fall jammies on that I got from My Classy Closet, which is one of my friend's online boutiques. If you guys like this, I will do a link to it down below. And without further ado, we should just go ahead and get into it. So I wanted to start in the kitchen because it's one of my favorite places in the home, especially for the holidays. I'm going to be doing a lot of things in the kitchen, so we'll talk about that later. Actually, if you want to see me do some New Orleans style holiday meals, definitely let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I love cooking, and holiday season is one of my favorite times to really cook New Orleans dishes that I learned from my grandparents. So I'm excited about doing that. So I really wanted to start in the kitchen because I've just been so anxious to get the kitchen in the holiday spirit. And I actually am going to do a really super easy DIY with roses. I had some old roses and I saw on someone else's page, I'll have to find it, where it was a cool idea for Halloween where you have like flowers that are drying out and dying. So I just cut the stems off and I'm going to fill up one of my tall vases with them and leave them out for October and watch them, like, you know, die and change. And then I'll also be pulling them throughout the month and using them for my goddess baths, because I do a goddess bath once a week, and I'll probably end up doing a video showing you guys how I set up my goddess bath. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are liking what you're seeing so far and you want to join this multi-hyphenate community, please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscription so you can get notified every time I post a video. I will be posting once a week things about acting, singing, and also just the lifestyle of a multi-hyphenate, which is, you know, the fun things that we do, and sometimes it's the not so fun things too. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this kitchen, y'all. So I'm just putting in my flowers from the week, my roses, and I'm stuffing them in the vase so that they can dry out and look like they are dying as a little Halloween hack, but I wouldn't leave this in longer than 2 weeks. So I'm going to be switching out my countertop spray and switching to the Mrs. Meyer's limited edition Acorn Spice, which is one of their holiday scents. It smells so good and so much like fall, and really just puts you in the holiday mood with scents. So I'm switching that out and just wiping down my countertops and surfaces in the kitchen with that before I go ahead and start to set up what I want out on the counter for fall and Halloween. I'm caving in. Gotta see this for what it is. Doesn't matter that you stole my heart, 'cause you're right, I'm no different. I can't seem to stick to my commitments, but I hear you and I see you struggling to find the man inside of you. I'm dying to believe that immaturity. And guys, if you are interested in joining this multi-hyphenate community, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can know when I put up new videos each week, and hit that bell next to the subscribe button because you'll get alerted every time I upload a new video and you won't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm moving on to the main space. It's gonna take me a while in there in my like bedroom / living room area. So I'm gonna pop in and out and show you guys things. I'm probably gonna be walking you through a lot of it, mostly once I'm done decorating it. If not, I'll be up till like 4 in the morning because I am a little OCD and a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to things like this. So anybody out there can feel me, drop that in the comments below. Are you a perfectionist? Are you a little bit OCD when it comes to decorating? I will take forever because everything's got to be just right. So I'm going to be popping in and out. And again, this is my first one, guys. So bear with me if I'm not showing you all the things that you want to see. Feel free to let me know what those things are in the comments below. Like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on this journey. I'm gonna set up things in the main room, and I hope you guys are loving my Day of the Dead like blue flower headband. I had to get it. It's so cute. So yeah, guys, keep rocking it out with me. As you can see, guys, my apartment is very colorful and very boho. And so with that being said, I'm not always able to change out everything for the holidays because I am on a limited budget as a multi-hyphenate talent, as many of you can relate to. I have to put money into things that go towards my art most of the time, right? And paying for bills. So I didn't have a huge budget to really change a lot of things out, but I just wanted to add little small elements like that skull there and that pumpkin on the couch that would give us that fall holiday vibe. I see you, so I'll catch you. So I decided to make maple bourbon wings because I felt like that was like a fall vibe and I just wanted to have a snack. So I'm gonna pop the recipe in for you guys. Usually I like to find like things on Pinterest based on what I have in my fridge, and I really wanted to use my air fryer because I'm obsessed with making wings in my air fryer. Oh my god, they're so good. So I found this recipe on Pinterest and I tweaked it a little bit to my liking, but I will put the recipe down below that I use, but feel free to like tweak and make things your own. I do that all the time. My apologies for the shaky camera, guys. I hit it as soon as I started filming and didn't realize it. But I just seasoned the chicken wings with Tony Chachere's onion powder and garlic powder, and I popped them in the air fryer and just pressed the chicken option and let it go. You do want to take it out and shake it halfway through so it's even on both sides. Then I went ahead and made the sauce on the stove. So I just literally added turmeric ghee, grated garlic, soy sauce, a shot of whiskey. I used Jameson, Sriracha sauce for spice, and then I did add a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness. And then I pour the sauce onto the wings to coat them all over and shake them in a bowl. The time has come for the Boho Halloween and Fall apartment tour. Enjoy. So this is my front door Happy Halloween sign. I usually put my slippers there or my shoes from when I go and walk Sandy, but it's right in front of the inside of my front door with my hand sanitizer and spray right there. Thanks, COVID-19. Alright, so we're on my vanity now. It's super dark. I have very dim lighting in the evening. Oh, I'm in the shadow. But yeah, I just wanted to have a little blue to tie in the blue on my bed and by my dresser. And then because I'm by my jewelry, I thought this cool like bedazzled pumpkin would be awesome. And I'll just pull back to show you guys my jewelry wall. We'll have to do an apartment tour later. So this is Sandy's food bowl area, her water and her food. And I just wrapped some Christmas lights around it, purple and orange. And then I'm going to move up. I just put a pumpkin there. This is like my bookshelf with all of my games on it here. I just put a little white pumpkin there, more books and games, and another pumpkin, and then a little bit of lighting here. Like I said, my apartment is very, very dim. So we're moving from that area, and then this is like my living room area, my studio. It's got a little succulent on the side table. And then I've got 2 candles. They smell so good, guys. I got those from the dollar store. And my little skull there, and then some light up pumpkins. And then over here, I changed out the blanket to an orange blanket for fall and Halloween, and I put a little pumpkin there on the pillows. So that's my little boho area. My whole apartment is boho chic, but this is what I did for my living room setup. And then if we pan up here, we've got a nice little fall sign up there. So this is my TV area. I just have a little sign there hanging. And I'm going to take this lantern with us so we can see over here. And I put a little skeleton scorpion because I am a Scorpio. So I thought that was really cute. And then also I have my bedazzled pumpkins, and they'll be out for the entire holiday season all the way through Christmas because of the colors. So, and my little small gym equipment there. But yeah, this is my little TV area. Not much, again, I'm in a studio, very minimalist, but it works for me to get me into the holiday mood. Now I'm gonna take you guys into the kitchen. Got the LED lights there hanging. And we'll go inside and take a look.
I'm giving up, I'm caving in, yes. I gotta see this for what it is. It doesn't matter that you stole my heart, 'cause you're Mars and I'm
Venus. My altar area in the home. I've just got like a Day of the Dead candle. I keep my passport there to bring in travel, and then like sage and Palo Santo and crystals and everything go in that box. My affirmation box, I pull out affirmations every day. My friend gave me this painting. It just makes me feel really powerful and energetic. And then I have some fake flowers up there that I got from Dollar Tree for fall. It's got like cotton and pine cones and like some leaves on it, so I really like it. Bringing in more of that fall holiday spirit, and yes, for the black girl magic. So now we're gonna move into the bathroom. So I just put some little flowers there, some little Halloween flowers, and I've got like the Witch Please towel in here as well. And I've got pumpkin, I've got my holiday Ever Spring like hand soap, it's nutmeg and clove, another pumpkin. And then over here on my bathroom tray, or bath tray rather, I have Harvest Blessings, I've got a book there, and then another tea tree candle that I light whenever I am taking a bath. Alright guys, so this is like my nightstand area beside my bed. So I just put a purple light bulb in there for Halloween to be festive, and then this blue tea light candle pumpkin holder that's going to stay until Christmas because I'm going to be bringing in a lot of blues. That denim pumpkin I love, this orange velvet pumpkin, and then my little succulent and my like room and linen spray that matches, and the blue like owl back there. So that's like fall, Christmas, and Halloween vibe all together, bringing in those colors that I want for the holiday season. So now we're gonna take it over to the bed area. As you can see, I hung a little spider web, and then I've got some LED lights on the bed, and my little doggy, she's got her canine unit stuff on. That's my dog Sandy, and I love that grateful pillow. It's gonna stay all the way through Christmas, and it lights up, which I love. And I've got some more just simple little LED lights on the bed, string lights, and then I changed out my blanket here and put a green one there for the holidays for fall, October, and Christmas. And then I just got some little leaves that I strung up. They're LED as well and just battery operated, so I just strung it there. Nothing fancy, but yeah, that's the bed setup, guys. Super simple, in a studio, first time decorating, so yeah, this is what it is. Hey guys, so we're in my office. It's really small, so I'm not able to show you guys how I decorated in this space, but I'm going to show you everything that I did. I'm just going to walk you through it. I just did a couple of things. Like, I decorated this chair. I just draped some like mummy wrapping around it. I got that from the 99-cent store. I think it looks pretty good. And then I've got some little bat lights here. A pumpkin candle. There's a candle in the inside. Toasted marshmallow. My camera is not focusing. You might be able to see it flickering. And then down here, on my guitar, I have my thankful and blessed wall sign hanging next to my mail here. And then the last thing we have in the room is this cute little garland witch's boot. That's just up there by my family photos in my office. And that's it. Actually, let me know if you guys want me to do an office tour on my channel, and I will hook that up for you guys. And last but not least, I can't forget my little tinsel kitty there. I had to get it. Super cute. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's everything that I've done in the apartment. Say hi, Sandy. I'm gonna go ahead and say good night, but I'm gonna have to do an apartment tour for you guys, I think, so you can really see everything that's in here. But these are all the things that I've done just to get me in the holiday spirit. Again, I apologize that it's super dark. The lighting is very dim in my apartment at night. Thank you for joining me and making your way all the way through. If you did, drop a pumpkin below. If you like what I'm doing here, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be alerted every time I do a new video. And I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Nicole Events Is with the Multi-Hyphenate Lifestyle.